I'm Don Cooper, the CEO and founder of Innovator, and today's session is part of a series that we're offering on above ground storage tank repairs. And today we are talking about the forge bonding repair method.
This was a sour naphtha tank. You can see the inspector marks. It was leaking. You can see the weld is not very good. They experienced crevice corrosion. It ate a hole through the shell. It was leaking. When they raised the naphtha above the leak point, 110-foot diameter. They removed the stair tread. We came in and cut the angle iron off. We used a ATEX EX certified cutting tool to remove the angle iron. We did this with a cold work permit. We were operating above the liquid level in the tank. You could actually see through I have some pictures, you can see through the hole in the tank and see I think it had a floating roof on the inside. So we did all this work while the tank was idled. They didn't want to fill it above the leak point, but we had to design this repair plate not only to handle the hydrostatic pressure of that naphtha when the tank was full, but to handle the 1,000-pound of OSHA required load for a stair tread. So we left them a pedestal here, a platform where they could bolt the stair tread back into place after we left. And when our technicians were leaving the job site, the customer stopped them and said, "Hey guys, I just want you to know that I had a purchase order out to a vendor to decommission this tank for $500,000. And he said, "You saved us on this." 6 months later, they called us because they had the exact same problem about 6 treads below this one. So these dollar figures you see, these are estimates of cost savings, including lost production of having that tank out of service. You can put dollars to it. Also, all the support costs by the tank owner, vendor costs for cleaning, for decommissioning, safety permitting, all of that costs money.